Hey everybody, this is AE Josh. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share a listing from your smartphone or mobile device onto your Facebook business page. So once we find a listing here, we're simply going to open it up on our phone. Alright, now we're here, so let's go ahead and if we scroll down a little bit, let's get this out of here. You'll see here's a Facebook icon in the top right of the image, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to bring up Facebook, and I'm already logged in, so here we go. Remember, you're going to want to share on your page, that is your business page, and then from there you can say whatever you like. Check out this listing. And then after that, just go ahead and hit post. And it's as simple as that. So you can do that with any page on the website, any listing. So definitely take advantage of this while you're on the go and you want to share a quick little thing to Facebook. This is a great tool to utilize. That is it, guys, and we'll see you for the next tutorial.